Hello everyone, welcome to SmartNode. I'm so excited to have you here. Today we're going to talk about something that's changing the world, machine learning. Now don't let the name scare you. By the end of this video you'll understand what it is, how it works, and why it matters, even if you've never studied technology before. Let's dive in. Now first thing first, what is machine learning? Machine learning is a way for computers to learn from data and make decisions without being explicitly programmed for every single task. Think of it like teaching a child to recognize words. At first, they don't know anything, but as you show them more and more words and correct them when they're wrong, they start recognizing patterns and eventually learn to read on their own. Machine learning works the same way, but with data instead of words. For example, when YouTube suggests videos you might like, that's machine learning, analyzing what you've watched before. Phone's keyboard predicts the next word you'll type. That's machine learning studying your typing habits. When your email automatically sends spam to the junk folder, that's machine learning detecting patterns in unwanted emails. Now, second part is how does machine learning work? Here's how machine learning actually learns. Data input. The computer gets a lot of information, like thousands of labeled pictures, customer purchases, or weather reports. Training. The computer looks for patterns in that data. For example, if we're teaching it to recognize handwritten numbers, it learns shapes that match 1, 2, 3, and so on. Testing. We check if it learned correctly by giving it new, unseen data. Does it recognize a new handwritten 5 correctly? Improving. The more data it processes, the better it gets. Just like how you get better at recognizing faces the more people you meet. Part 3. Types of machine learning. There are three main ways machine learning works. Supervised learning. The computer learns with a guide, like a teacher. Example, predicting if an email is spam, because we've labeled thousands of emails as spam or not spam before. Unsupervised learning. No teacher here. The computer finds hidden patterns on its own. Example, grouping customers by shopping habits even if we didn't tell it what to look for. Reinforcement learning. The computer learns by trial and error, like playing a video game. Example, a robot learning to walk by stumbling and adjusting its steps until it gets it right. Part 4. Why should we care? You might think, okay, but how does this affect me? Well, machine learning is already part of your daily life, and it's doing amazing things. Here are just a few examples. Healthcare. Machine learning helps doctors analyze X-rays and detect diseases like cancer earlier than ever before. Agriculture. Farmers use to monitor crops and predict the best time to plant or harvest, reducing waste. Entertainment. Ever noticed how Spotify creates playlists just for you? That's machine learning understanding your music taste. Security. Banks use it to detect fraud by spotting unusual transactions, like if your credit card is suddenly used in another country. The future? Even more exciting. Imagine personalized education where apps adapt to how you learn best, or self-driving cars that make roads safer. Machine learning isn't just for tech experts, it's shaping your world. And that's machine learning in a nutshell. If you found this helpful, please give this video a like. It really supports the channel. Want more easy-to-understand tech videos? Subscribe to SmartNode and hit the bell icon so you don't miss what's next. I'd love to hear from you.